This in from the National Weather Service in Grand Forks. Possible blizzard conditions late Monday. Yahoo! As we look across Grand Forks to the east from the UND Skycam on this Sunday morning, let's take a look at the graphics here. Blizzard conditions possible Monday evening through midday Tuesday. Light snow may combine with strong northwest winds, leading to sharply reduced visibility in the north. Where new snow doesn't fall, stronger winds to 60 miles per hour may result in ground blizzard conditions if the older snow breaks loose. Blizzard conditions are possible again starting late Monday evening through midday Tuesday. Now, as far as snow, light snow accumulations, accumulating snow is expected to remain relatively light across most of eastern North Dakota and west central Minnesota. There is a 60% chance for 2 inches or greater in the Lake of the Woods region and along the international border in Minnesota. Falling or freshly falling new snow may combine with strong winds to produce whiteout conditions. While accumulating snow could lead to slick roadways, blowing and drifting snow will bring higher impacts to travel. And strong winds are anticipated. Northwest winds of 25 to 40 miles per hour are possible. Strongest gusts of up to 60 miles per hour are possible from the Red River Valley and locations west. Older snow is crusted, however, where stronger winds gusting around 60 miles per hour occur. This may break loose. As a result, ground blizzard conditions would then be able to develop regardless of new snowfall. Significant travel impacts are possible due to whiteout conditions. The worst impacts may occur during the Tuesday morning commute when the strongest wind occurs with blowing and drifting snow. Again, possible blizzard conditions possible beginning Monday evening through midday Tuesday. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.